training courses for doctors and surgical assistants. For over 10 years, the world-renowned expert Dr. Akaki Tsilosani has been sharing his extensive experience with young colleagues and conducting training courses for beginners, as well as accomplished doctors. Our institute has trained more than 350 doctors from all over the world, most of whom have become successful in starting their practice in their respective countries and are now active members of ISHRS. A training course for doctors lasts for 1 week. The program encompasses all aspects of hair transplantation, theory, and practice. The training takes place at Dr. Tsilosani Hair Transplantation Institute, which is equipped with the newest technologies and is considered to be one of the world's best hair transplant center. The trainees not only have the opportunity to take part, but also perform all aspects of the procedure, such as designing the hairline, anesthesia, extraction of the donor material, graft preparation, and implantation under Dr. Tsilosani's supervision. Trainees will learn and perform procedures such as follicular unit transplantation, FUT, strip method, follicular unit excision, FUE method, body hair transplantation, BHT, eyebrow transplantation, combination technique, FUT plus FU, long hair transplantation into the beard. Dr. Tsilosani's Hair Transplantation Institute also conducts training courses for experienced surgeons who wish to perfect their craft and become acquainted with the newest methods of hair transplantation. Surgeons and assistants who have completed Dr. Tsilosani's training program will receive an internationally accepted certificate, which contains documentation about the number of hair transplantation procedures the trainee has performed at Tsilosani's Hair Transplantation Institute. If you are interested in learning more about postgraduate education in hair restoration, please visit our website at tsilosani.com.